Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study the rest part of chapter 1st Kabliwala's literature part. So let us start. Here from we have to start. Now I am reading, then I explain it. So listen carefully. Year passed away and he was not remembered. It was autumn and Minnie was to be married that night and the preparations were in full swing. Since dawn, the Shanai had been sounding and at each beat my heart throbbed. I left the pain of approaching separation from Minnie. I was in the study when someone entered and saluted respectfully. I could not recognize him, but when he smiled, I knew him again. He had brought a few almonds, raisins, and grapes wrapped in a paper. He had been released from jail the previous day and he had come to see Minnie. I had told him that it was not possible to meet anyone because all were busy with the ceremonies and I was about to pay him. But he said, "You have a little girl. I too have one like her in my home. I think of her and bring fruits for your child." He took out a small and a dirty piece of paper and unfolded it on my table. It bore the impression of a little ink smeared hand. This touch of his own little daughter he always carried with him as he came to Calcutta to sell his wares every year. Tears came to my eyes. I realized that he was also a father separated from his dear little daughter. Now here explanation of this previous story. You know that what at the time Abdul Rahman means Kabliwala stabbed one person. That person has refused to give him money. This is the reason he stabbed and he was imprisoned for some years. Okay, and here year passed away. After some time, what happened? Means year passed away. Means maybe 10 years or whatever imprisonment he has got. So year passed away. And he was not remembered. It was an autumn and Minnie was to be married that night and the preparation were in full swing. And he was not remembered. Means the narrator was not remembered and narrator was not remembered Abdul Rahman or anyone. Now what happened? Now Minnie was now to be married. Minnie was now younger and now to be married. And this time the function means the program, the marriage ceremony was about to, and now that night preparation were in full swing. All they were busy in the marriage ceremony preparation. And since dawn the Shanai had been sounding at each beat my heart throbbed. I left the pain of approaching separation from Minnie. And since when there was a evening, now at the time Shanai have the some persons they are playing Shanai. At the time my heart was throbbed means beat rapidly. It means what? It means I am just feeling the pain of separation of my daughter Minnie. This is the reason. And I was in the study when someone entered and saluted respectfully. At the time the narrator was in his study room when someone entered and saluted means namaskar or anything he has done respectfully. I could not recognize him. At the time the narrators could not recognize. Maybe he was any strange person. But when he has a minute inspection, then he understand who is he actually here given. I knew him again. At the time narrator recognized who was this one, Kabliwala Abdul Rahman. And he had brought a few almonds, raisin and grapes wrapped in a paper. And what he has brought? He has brought some almonds, raisins and grapes in a paper that was totally wrapped he has brought. And he had been released from jail the previous day. And previous day from jail he was released. And now after releasing he has just come here to see Minnie. And I told him that it was not possible to meet anyone because all were busy with the ceremonies. At the time the narrator said, what said? That every person, means Minnie, mother, every person, they are busy in marriage program, marriage ceremony. So it's not possible to meet. But at the time he is requested here. I was about to pay him, but he said, You have a little girl, I too have one like in her in my home. What he said, I was about to pay him. At the time, narrator was thinking that he has come to some money or etc. This is the reason he was trying to give him money, but he refused. At the time, what he said that, sir, you have a little girl like me. You have a little girl Mini. I too have also. Kabliwala said, sir, at my home I have also a little girl, same years of like Mini, and I think of her and bring fruits for your child. This is the reason I think of her when I was means coming here to see Mini. It means I was just come for my own daughter, like Mini is my own daughter, similar like. This is the reason I have come here. And he took out a small and dirty piece of paper, and after he was just taken out, he has taken out one piece of paper, one piece of cloth, dirty cloth, and in that he has put it and unfolded it on my table, and it bore the impression of a little ink smear hand of that girl. And in that dirty paper, what was two palm finger print? It means some ink. Whenever you will do this, you understand. Means suppose that palm means that was totally full with ink, and you have put it on the cloth. Now what impression? There is a impression of a little hand. And now after this he showed, and after this he had came to Calcutta to see different types of things. And now here tears came to my eyes. I realized that he was also a father separated from his dear little daughter. And what happened? Now the narrator was totally surprised, and there were some tears in his eyes. And what he said, that I realized, means the narrator realized his what, that he was also a father, like I am father of Mini daughter, and Kabliwala means Abdul Rahman, he was also a daughter. And this time he was feeling what? He was feeling depressed. Why? Because of the separation of her dear little daughter. Now I sent for Mini. She was clad in a red silk and sandal paste on her forehead, adorned as a bride. I sent for Mini. I sent means the narrator has just called Mini, and now said that means Abdul Rahman means Kabliwala has come, and she was clad in a red silk with sandal paste on her forehead. And now how she was? She was in the red silk sari and sandal paste on her forehead. There is sandal, you understand? Sandal paste on her forehead, and she was adorned. She was decorated with as a bride. And Kabliwala had imagined her to be the same little girl who would come running to him. He said, little one, are you going to your father-in-law's house? Mini understood the meaning of the word father-in-law. She flushed up at the question and turned down her face. Now the Kabliwala had imagined her to be the same little girl. When she was coming, Kabliwala also has imagined that how she was looking. It means she was in like a bride this time. So after when she came, now what he said, girl, little one girl, are you going to for making a little bit fun? He said, girl, are you going to father-in-law's house? Then Mini understood the meaning of father-in-law's. When she'll recall it, because when she was a little girl, they are talking together, means father-in-law's house, what mean? So now she flushed up at the question and turned down her face. And after that she flushed. She became angry like, means red, means total, and at the question and turned down her face. Okay, thank you for today. The rest is next day.